Nokia 7600 disassembly. You need SRT6 and 9, a slot and T6 driver and tweezers. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Protect window with a film. Remove the two sleeves. Remove C cover. Take D cover from SIM connector side. Remove screw from GSM antenna. Take SRT6 and forcefully unlock corner piece molding. A cover is attached with several plastic clips. Carefully unlock all the clips to loosen A cover, starting at the clip above the system connector. Remove A cover. Protect inner side of the window to avoid dust and scratches. Do the same with LCD. Unscrew the 6 Torx Plus screws size 6 in the following order. Unlock UI module. Remove UI module. Before removing the light guide, you have to open 2 clips. Take away Navi key module. Open display connector carefully. Remove LCD module. Press out earpiece from its guidance. Remove UI PWB. Take engine module from B cover. Place SRT9 properly when removing camera module. First press down and then pull up the camera module. Take a DC plug to unlock DC jack connector. Lever out Vibra motor. Unlock both clips of IR window. Remove volume key. Lever out microphone. Remove WCDMA antenna from B cover. Removal of camera key and power key goes easily. Camera window is attached with adhesive tape and fits very strong. Push out camera window boot. Open 2 plastic clips from GSM antenna. The last step is to remove hands-free speaker. Disassembly procedure is now complete.